Hey, just a quick video to share with you another Christmas goodie that I'm making, and I'm going to be using the hashtag sharingchristmasgoodies, and this is sausage balls. Now, I've got guests coming in this weekend, and I want to have some for breakfast, but I also want to freeze some to have later. These are so easy, and this is the best way to make them now. This is the only way I make them. I use the Palmetto pimento cheese, 2 kinds of sausage, so I'll use half hot, half regular, and Bisquick. That's all you need to make 2 panfuls of delicious sausage balls. So let's get busy and I'll show you how easy it is. So this is one recipe. It's 1 pound of sausage, 12 ounces of pimento cheese, 2 1/4 cups of Bisquick. That's all you need. So here I'm pouring in the 2 1/4 cups of Bisquick. Now I like my sausage kind of mild. I don't like spicy hot stuff, but I do like a little bit of a good taste. So I'm going to cut this in half and use half hot and half mild. Now I know some people use all hot all the time, but I just can't do it. It just burns my mouth. So this is good for me and my family. Now this is the Palmetto pimento cheese, the best pimento cheese out there, and it's a 24-ounce container that I picked up at Costco, and I am going to just use half or 12 ounces of it. Alright, so I've got my Bisquick, my sausage, and my pimento cheese, and that's all there is to it. Now with nice clean hands, you just get in there and you work it. You just work all that sausage and pimento cheese right into the Bisquick. And after you have everything mixed, you're just going to pinch off a little bit and roll it into some balls. And I like mine about the size of a walnut. You can make them smaller. I wouldn't go any bigger because you want to make sure that middle gets done. So I'm just going to roll these out on my parchment paper. Then I'm going to take that whole pan once I do both my recipes and the pan is full. I'm going to stick that in the freezer. Now if you don't want to bother with freezing these for later and you want to go ahead and cook them, I will give you baking directions towards the end of the video. But these are really good frozen. They're easy appetizer to pull out at the last minute and bake. And so here is my baking sheet. I think I got about 79 or 80 out of those 2 recipes. We did have some. We had to go ahead and cook some because they're so good. And so we had some with dinner tonight. But that is 2 recipes that I used to make these pimento cheese sausage balls. And all I did was just put a piece of aluminum foil over it and then put it in the freezer. And they are completely frozen in about 5 hours. And here they are. I just take them off the cookie sheet and I've bagged them in quart bags of 20, and I've got 3 bags in the freezer. And what you're going to do when you're ready to bake is you bake it at 375 degrees for 15 to 18 minutes. Then after they're done, oh boy, do they look delicious. All right, how are they?
Very good. Pimento cheese and sausage.
Don't eat them all.
I will.
Now, when family come in this weekend for breakfast one morning, I'm going to make a big pot of grits and I'm going to heat up some of these sausage balls, and it will be delicious. So if you'd like to join this fun collaboration and share some goodie recipes, all you have to do is add the hashtag sharingchristmasgoodies to your video, and then we can enjoy each other's creations. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a Merry Christmas. Stay safe and be blessed.